severe weather outbreak. Now, make sure you always find a sturdy, site-built structure. No mobile homes tomorrow. Once that watch is issued, you're no longer safe being in a mobile home. You're going to want to find a site-built structure, and it is the central room of the house. That could be a closet, that could be a pantry, that could be something else that is just as far away from the outside world as possible, as many exterior walls between you and the outside world as possible. And also have an emergency kit as well. That could include first aid, maybe non-perishable food items, water, and a flashlight. Those would be great tools to have just in case you lose power. And then to get that warning information, make sure you have two sources just in case one of them goes down. One of them can be the East Texas Storm Team app or a NOAA weather radio. And make sure you have your smartphone turned on to receive those tornado warnings and higher-end severe thunderstorm warnings. Nothing happening on live Viper radar right now. Temperatures are still remaining very warm. We're in the 60s and 70s, and that is increasing our instability as we move into tomorrow. Got plenty of Gulf moisture as well. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s. As we mentioned before, we are under a level 4 moderate risk of severe weather. The last time this happened was November 4th of last year. These are pretty rare and should not be taken lightly. That wind threat, very enhanced. There in the pink there, it's about a 45% chance that we see wind gusts within a point in this shaded region of being over 58 miles per hour. And we could see some EF2 or stronger tornadoes as well, as the northern 2/3 of our area, including Tyler and Longview, are highlighted in this region where those significant tornadoes could occur. Here's how it's going to happen. First and foremost, we're just seeing showers tomorrow morning, and then the skies will start to open up to our west. It's these individual supercell thunderstorms that could cause issues with those long track tornadoes, and this is indicating some pretty ominous signs over the Dallas-Fort Worth area at 4 o'clock. As we get a little closer to 5, the storm's moving into our region. 6 o'clock, Mineola to the west of Tyler and to the west of Gilmer, seeing those showers and thunderstorms. The line inches further to the east at 7. By 8 o'clock, we're still seeing those showers and thunderstorms through our central counties. Longview will see the storms by then. By 9 and 10 o'clock, our eastern counties seeing the storms, but everything is out of here by midnight tomorrow. So here is the basic timeline. 3 to 8 o'clock for our far western counties. That is the storm timeline for you guys. For Tyler and Longview, Jacksonville and Henderson, 6 to 10. And the red region for our far eastern counties. So if you're close to Louisiana, it's between about 8 and midnight tomorrow evening. So here are the severe weather threats. Anything's possible with this one. Every severe weather threat is on the table, including damaging wind gusts, tornadoes, and large hail. At a medium or higher threat, flash flooding threat, it's possible.